Hey, this is Marko, and in this video I'm going to tell you what happens if you don't activate Windows 11. But before I begin with this video, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So if you're running an unactivated Windows 11 or similar to using a demo version of a software, key features especially related to personalization are disabled. You cannot change the wallpaper, theme, lock screen or custom accent colors. This limitation significantly impacts users who prefer a personalized and aesthetically pleasing desktop environment. And if you know you don't have it activated, you're going to see this message. Now there are some other things like there are some potential risks since you don't have the latest security update. Long term, the system will function, but the lack of personalization and potential missed updates can diminish the experience and security over time. It can also impact performance and hardware. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.